I will teach you how to compute Dogecoin mining profitability using ASICs. You need to know that mining major proof-of-work cryptocurrencies with your personal computer days are over. Proof-of-work cryptocurrencies is where you solve a math problem and earn a reward in coin for solving it. For solving math problems, you need a high-speed dedicated ASIC, short for application-specific integrated circuit. It's just engineering terms for dedicated computer design just for mining a particular cryptocurrency. ASICs designed for one cryptocurrency cannot be used for mining different cryptocurrency. ASICs are designed based on primary cryptocurrency algorithm. Ethash is Ethereum. Script for Litecoin and Dogecoin. You can, by the way, split mine Litecoin and Dogecoin from the same machine. Equihash miners primarily for Scoin. SHA-256 algorithm is primarily designed for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Blake 256 are 14 machines for Decred mining. Remember, higher the profit per day is very costly to get them. Remember, by the time you and I general public get hold of those miners from manufacturers' open sale, mining difficulty will skyrocket and your daily profitability drops. Daily profit is inversely proportional to difficulty. When manufacturer like Bitmain releases machines to the public, they know they release lots of 10,000 machines. This will skyrocket the hash rate because all those machines will be turned on to validate the network. Never go by the daily profit calculator shown on the website. Your daily profit drops significantly by the time you get hold of those brand new machines. That is why if you are new to crypto, get hold of used machines. You can turn that on and start mining in a very short time. I have included a website where you can find profitability based on hash rate, electricity consumption in watts, proof fees, and hardware costs. This mining calculator will tell you how long it takes to break even given network difficulty stays the same and Bitcoin, or in this case Dogecoin price stays the same. Remember, higher the network difficulty, lower you're going to be mining Dogecoins per day. In this example, on the day of shooting this video, you are going to make 22.6 Dogecoins per day or 0.94 Dogecoins per hour, which account for $12 of profit after paying $1.92 on electricity cost and 43 cents in mining pool fees. I have included actual profit example of 504 M hashes per second is actual Bitmain L3 Plus you can buy online like eBay or Amazon. Actual power usage is 800 watts at 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Mining pool fees is 3.00%. I used Bitmain AntPool actual fees. Bitmain's AntPool fees are 3% PPS. Minimum Litecoin payout is 0.001 LTC. You get automatic payment every day when your minimum payment threshold is met. Under Setting tab and LTC, click on corresponding edit link. You get to see Dogecoin wallet address. You have to specify Dogecoin wallet address or AntPool will not send you Dogecoin mining rewards. AntPool says if you do not specify, they automatically assume you forfeit the Dogecoin rewards. You can specify Binance Dogecoin deposit wallet address. Comment below if you do not know how to get one in Binance. I will provide a link to Binance link. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Happy mining Dogecoin and Litecoin via your Antminer L3 Plus ASIC machine. If you need detailed help on setting up Antminer L3 Plus or other Antminer ASICs, let me know below as well.